because I don't wear my hair like this. I wear my hair straight. Do you see me wear my natural hair out? No, see, that's why it's different.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay dolls, I'm back at it with another hair review. This Kinky Curly unit is brought to you by Wigs. The first thing you're going to want to do is cold wash this hair. This is Kinky Curly Hair Girls. I'm using my Aussie conditioner and my Demon brush to condition and get all the kinks out so that the natural hair texture will be revealed. Next, I'm gonna add some shea butter leave-in conditioner. Y'all know this is my favorite. I like to use it on textured hair because it helps it maintain its curl pattern when it's dry, and it also prevents the hair from getting extremely big. I'm also going to add a little bit of mousse to the hair, and this is just going to help the curl pattern be more defined. Now the hairline comes pre-plucked, however I'm going to pluck it just a little bit more. If you guys want to see my tutorial on how I pluck and customize my frontals, I'll be sure to link that in the info box in the upper right hand corner of this video, as well as in the description box down below. Okay dolls, I just finished filming my ball cap tutorial, so if you want to know how to do the ball cap, make sure you watch that video. I'll be sure to link this at the end of this video. And really quick, let me show you the construction of this wig. This is about 3 to 4 inches apart in space. There are 2 combs on the side, 1 in the middle. I never use those combs, so I'll probably just cut that off, as well as a comb in the back and an elastic band. So I went ahead and secured the elastic band. This wig is big head friendly, so I really am pushed to the limits with this. I'll probably sew on my own elastic band for a tighter fit for the instances when I don't want to use the Got2b glue to lay this. But right now I'm gonna lay it with some Got2b glue, only because I want to show you guys different hairstyles that involve pulling the hair back. Now this unit does not come with bleach knots. I'll show you what this the knots on this unit looks like up close. As you can see the knots. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just apply some of my foundation powder in the inside of the wig, and that's going to help camouflage the knots along with having my bald cap, and it should be enough to make this work without going ahead and bleaching the knots. So I'm going to apply the foundation powder. You guys see me do this in every video, so I'm not going to show you. So now I've applied some of the foundation powder to the inside of the wig. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. And I'm ready to try it on. Okay dolls, so I gelled it down off camera. I have dozens of tutorials on how I gel down my unit. If you haven't seen those, just click the blue hashtag above the title of this video and that'll take you to all my Lace Frontal series videos. Okay, so as you guys know, I did not bleach the knots on this unit because I felt like the knots weren't that dark, and I can camouflage it. However, you know, if you want to have an even more flawless install, go ahead and bleach the knots as well. But as you can see, it looks pretty decent right now without having bleached the knots. I think it's good enough for what we're trying to do. But before I even do anything, can we take a second to acknowledge how bomb this hair looks? Like, let me give y'all a closer look. Do you see this? Okay. So what I'm going to do is show you the reason why I like this wig is because it actually reminds me of virgin hair. And when I say virgin hair, typically when you're dealing with virgin hair, the curl pattern is not uniform. It's different throughout your head. If you look at your own natural hair, you may notice that your hair may be curlier in the front and more tightly curled in the back, or straighter in the back and curlier in the front. Typically, when you're looking at a virgin head, the curl pattern varies depending on the location of your hair, and that's how virgin hair is. And usually, since a lot of the hair that they're selling nowadays is processed, the curl pattern are typically uniform. Like right now, the curl pattern is pretty uniform on this, but I'm gonna show you how this goes from looking like that to virgin. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna really bring the naturalness of this hair out, and by doing that, all I'm going to do is just pull on the hair to elongate the curls. And as you can see, it's getting big already, but this is the beauty of it. It's the ends. The ends get this like frizz to it that, in my opinion, mimics natural hair. So as you pull it out, it's gonna get a lot bigger. And this could get as big as you want. I really don't want this hair to swallow my face. So I'm not gonna do it too big, but I do want you guys to see what I'm talking about. Oh, this hair definitely sheds, just FYI. Yeah. But yeah, this wig definitely sheds, but because the density is so big, I think it's fine. And usually most of the time, once you're done messing with the hair, you're not going to be playing in your hair all day like you will straight hair. So this is just an example of what this looks like. I like this because now if you look at it, you have the curls don't look as uniform. And the other thing that I like is I like how it looks coming off the scalp. To me, it mimics natural hair pattern, how it has like that slight wave and then it gradually goes into this curl. And then if you want to just add some, you could just like really pull some out. So some are just like not as curly or wavy as the other. Am I serving natural hair realness or what? Like, you guys tell me. I don't know. Let me part this. So I'm going to try to lay a little bit baby hair. Y'all know I still kind of struggle with my baby hairs. Bear with me, okay? But this is what it's looking like. This look is so different for me, but I'm low-key, high-key loving it. So you could just wear it like this and just serve some natural Wakanda forever goodness. Or you could just style it however you want. If you prefer what it looked like before doing this, then by all means rock it like this. I just like it this way. I just feel like it's really truly mimicking Kinky curly hair. You could wear the hair pushed up to the side if you want. Another way to wear it is, obviously you could wear it in a ponytail. so dolls, I did my baby hair off camera. You guys know I struggle with my baby hair. Really, because in real life, I don't wear that much baby hair when I wear my units, but I know you guys like it online. So I promise I'll get better with y'all. But this is how it was looking. This side came out a little better than the other side. So this is the struggle side, but we're gonna focus on this side. So this is what the ponytail is looking like. As you can see, natural hair. It's time to serve, y'all. I am loving this. So guys, this is just a couple of the ideas of how you can wear this hair. Of course, you could turn this into a bun. You could wear this a low bun. You could wear a ponytail up with a bun. That's what I was going to do. But this hair is so big, I don't want to mess with it again right now. If I get a chance to do it later, I'll insert a clip right here for you to see what that looks like. But I just want to give you guys some ideas on how you could wear this hair. And I have a confession to make to you guys. When I initially got this unit, I was going to send it back. That's why I don't have any footage of what it looked like straight out the box. Because when I took the hair out the box, I ran my hand through it and it started ripping. And I'm like, oh no, I'm not going to review this hair because I felt like it was crappy hair. But then I even actually wrote the vendor and was like, hey, I'm not going to review this hair. It's shedding when I try to comb through it. And the vendor is like, yeah, it would shed if you try to comb through it. I know he's like, idiot. And I kind of felt like, okay, this is a shame. And I really just was like, I don't know what to do with this hair. And honestly, I felt ashamed. Like, how do I know what to do with kinky curly hair? I have kinky curly hair. But in all honesty, my hair, when I went natural, I just really don't bother with it because it's so much work and so much maintenance. And then that's when I really transitioned to wearing wigs full time. And I just kind of just always kept a protective style because it's so much to deal with. So I was kind of embarrassed and ashamed. Like, real talk, guys, I felt like a white lady who just adopted a black child. Like, I really did not know what to do with this hair. I'm like, what am I supposed to do with this hair? And I really felt ashamed about it. So I was like, you know what? Let me deep condition it. That's why I think it's very important that if you decide to get this hair, you must deep condition it and comb through it. And then the curls just came alive. Like, it just became so much better. And I'm really happy I didn't send this hair back. I'm really loving this look. Like, I never wear my natural hair out, and this really has me rethinking this. That is if I don't cut my hair, which I'm this close to cutting it, but that's a whole nother story. But guys, I am loving this look. Give this vendor a try. If you order it, I think you'll really be pleasantly happy with it. And I'm pretty sure this hair is pretty affordable. I know it's like 100 and something. It's under $200. Well, affordable is relative. It may not be affordable to you, but for me, $200 for a unit is pretty affordable. I'll have all the links in the description box down below. If you have any questions, as always, don't hesitate to leave a comment. And we gotta name this unit. So shout out to everybody who helped me, who submitted names to name the unit last week. I think the winner with the most thumbs up was Bella. So we're gonna call that unit Bella. And that was the unit. If you didn't see that video, go ahead and watch it. I'll have this right after this, as soon as this video ends. And give y'all suggestions. What are we gonna name this one? I'm thinking Wakanda. Let me put on my Wakanda wig, but I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think I should call this unit. Leave your suggestions down below. And if you are not part of the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the fam. Make sure you hit your notification bell as well. And as always, important, guys, until next time, stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now. Bye.